Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the job opportunities, and here are the two big job opportunities for you. One is Amazon and second one is Wesco. And the hiring roles, these companies hire the software engineers roles and software and engineering roles. And anyone who are fresher or experienced like 2025 batch and 2026 batch also can apply for this role. And the main thing is Amazon offer you around 33 plus LPA, which is a very good if you crack it. And they're talking about location, there are multiple locations. Now let's see in the detail. So talking about Amazon hiring the role for the software developer engineer, and the locations are mainly four locations for which Amazon is hiring, like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Delhi. And this is the job ID for this role. Talking about package, the package is 33 plus LPA as per your performance in the interview. And key skill sets you need to apply for the job is DSA, you must know the data structure and algorithm. After that, OOPS concept like object oriented programming you should know, and problem solving skill you should have. And mainly now how to apply. So I will given the official link to apply in the description. You should click on it and simply follow the steps. This is the job ID for the application. Now talking about Wesco is hiring any engineer role, so there is no mention any specific branch, so anyone can apply. Simply it needs a qualification of B and B.Tech, and freshers and experience both can apply for the job. The last date to apply for the job is 31st August 2026. The package is not mentioned, but it will offer you very good package if you crack it. Location is particular Bangalore, and the hybrid model. It follows the hybrid model. So for the to apply in this company, you need to simply click on this link, which is I will given in the description, and follow the steps as per the instruction. Now these are the two big opportunities, and you should do not miss any one of them. So keep your resume updated and apply in both the companies, Amazon and Wesco. So that's it. Thank you, and please like, share, and subscribe.